So, first presentation is the Apple Android integration solution.
Can you see me kind of stand up?
All right, good afternoon. My name is Christopher Munn. We're the Apple Android integration team. My teammates this semester are Rob Chukwemeka, Kwok Lee, Quinn Lee, and George Otabu. This semester, we wanted to tackle a real-world problem with consumer applications. So we looked around in our lives to determine a product that we wish existed. And what we determined was that we've got a lot of Apple iPod accessories. Car integration systems, stereo docks, that sort of thing. But we're becoming kind of Android guys now. We're all engineers, we like to tinker with our devices. So we found that there's a disconnect between being able to use these great iPod accessories that we have and being able to use our Android devices with them. So our goal was to develop a device that would allow us to not just connect the audio out from our Android device into one of these systems, but to actually provide the control that you would expect from an iPod accessory. The next track, previous track, play, pause, playlist, integration, that sort of thing. So we started by taking a Yo-Yo microcontroller. It's a product developed to work with the Android accessory development kit, and connect that with a Bluetooth chipset, the Blue Giga, to provide this communication mediation between the iPod dock connection and our Android device or other non-iPod music player. So our device has a number of features that we're really looking forward to showcasing. When connected to an Android device, we're developing an application to run on the Android phone to emulate a lot of the iPod functionality that you would expect. So playlist management and that sort of thing. If you're not connecting an Android device specifically, or if you want a wireless functionality, we're implementing Bluetooth A2DP and Bluetooth AVRPC so that you can use your iPod accessory with any Bluetooth enabled music player. In addition, we're also providing a 3.5mm stereo plug connection so you can get the dummy audio pass-through that is provided through the devices currently available on the market. So our goal this semester has been to build a prototype device using some off-the-shelf kind of kits and wire that together and start working on the application and communications. And moving forward into next semester, our goal, once we have a fully functional prototype, is to really look at what's involved in our system and to put together a single PCB solution to source out parts that are available at a low cost, so we can really look at approaching this problem with a solution that is available at a consumer price point and is competitive to the products currently on the market. Thank you.
Are you going to have any kind of a demo or?
Not today. We're still next semester. You should be to come in and plug in your device and listen to music, control it, all that sort of stuff.
And who did what? There are 5 of you here.
This semester has mainly been design and sourcing parts and that sort of thing. I'm a computer engineer. The rest of the team are all electrical engineers. So I'm handling a lot of the software side of things. But the rest of the team kind of collectively has been working on how to deal with power management. For example, we want to be able to power our device off of the iPod dock and also provide charging to anything hooked up to it. They've worked on actually making sure everything fits together, works together, managing voltage levels and all that sort of stuff.
When you say today, it's not clear to me. I was just wondering specifically what did each person contribute?
Specifically, when did each person contribute?
Yeah, that's what we're looking for in all of this. I think this is a very important thing. You might even want to keep a diary or a log.
All right.
So if I can ask, why did you pick the in-vehicle domain versus some other domain?
Well, we looked at the in-vehicle domain because that's kind of where our problem really started. I've got a car with iPod integration and I want to use my Android device with it. We're hoping to have a device that works in really any iPod accessory situation.
So then what are the specific performance demonstrate whether you've achieved the solution or whether you've fallen short?
We want to be able to connect our device to any iPod accessory and provide full remote control pass-through when using an Android device.
Yeah, so you're defining again,
Right.
the specific, you're not defining a numerical quantitative benchmark that you can measure performance. So if you want to connect it to every possible iPod application, and 85% of it would be supported, that's a quantifiable benchmark.
We want to have full support for the Apple voice over protocol. So that's our goal, to be able to interpret every documented command and respond to inquiry. So
You could, let's say,
we want 100% support there.
so you could go to, let's say, the Apple apps, pick the top 50, and say we're going to support the top 20%.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's a problem I guess we need to look at moving forward and work on.
So what does this involve? It involves iPod is in C, a variation of C language, right?
Well, we're building an application for Android, which is a Java
Yeah,
application.
so it's a conversion of the C. What is that? It's a
The
variation of C. What C is that?
Objective-C is what runs on the iPhones, the iPhones.
Right, so you're converting Objective-C app into Java. Is that what you're doing?
No. The iPod dock connection provides a serial interface with a documented command set for play, pause, next track, previous track, that sort of thing. And we've got a microcontroller that will interpret those commands and provide an API to the Android device when it's connected to the Android, or when there's no Android device connected, it'll run in a standalone application mode, which will allow it to pass through audio either through a 3.5 millimeter stereo plug or using the Bluetooth functionality of HTTP and AVRC, which development of that firmware needs.
We're going to stop there, and if there's more questions, please come by.
Yes.
Thank you.